Hi viewers, welcome to Excel Tutorial Hub. In this video, we will learn about the Eomonth function in Excel. The Eomonth function in Excel is used to calculate the end of the month date based on a given start date and a specified number of months. Eomonth stands for end of month. Let's use this table as an example. So here you can see that I have already created a table with start date and I have added months. Now let's find the end of month. To find out the end of month, we need the Eomonth function. Let's apply the Eomonth function. So type Eomonth, open parenthesis, click on start date, type comma, click on months and close parenthesis, press enter. So you can see that we have found the end of month using the Eomonth function in Excel. Now I will drag it down so the Excel will apply the function to all cells. This video covers a simple way of how to use the Eomonth function in Excel. Thanks for watching this video.